Hey guys, it's John again with Buckle Up with John Buckel, and featured in the background is my girlfriend, Kim Kuhns. Hi, Kim.
What's up?
So, tonight, I'm in the rocking chair. You guys probably saw me move or something. The camera. Move the camera. I'm going to first start out by saying if you guys haven't seen my newest episode, Kim can account for this too. She's been sick. I've been sick. And I've honestly just been trying to kind of give YouTube a break for whatever reason. I think a lot of it was that I'm just trying to get to reduce my anxiety and try not to be so which is what I was telling Kim about, just really be under control when I'm talking. And this is one of the videos where it's probably going to be a little longer. It's already at over. It's already over 1 minute. But anyways, I'm not going to talk about myself. This is for sports. So your Indiana Hoosiers have won the Big Ten. Not even just the Big Ten tournament. They really got through every part of just the playoffs in general this last year. So, without further ado, besides me saying this, you no one has ever really heard of the Indiana Hoosiers football team being being dominant. Like, they haven't even been dominant for however long. And so now I will go into Kurt Signetti. This guy, our coach last year, he will probably be coaching for another some odd years. He said that he, at the end of the year, that he did not want to go anywhere else besides Indiana. I'm sorry, that's not what it was. He said at the end of the year that he will not be going to coach pro football or the Colts for that matter. He is more of a college coach than anything. So he'll be definitely coaching the Indiana Hoosiers football team for I don't even know how long, until I guess he retires. So before Signetti got to Indiana, his whole mindset before they won all of pretty much it was actually it was every game last year and got into the playoffs. I can't say enough about that coach. He's absolutely fantastic of a coach, and all the other great words that you could probably say about him. I'm sure everybody did not, a lot of people really in Indiana didn't even think they would get that far. So the fact that he got through and just won all of the games in the regular season and playoffs says so much about this guy. So, as you guys already know, again, your Indiana Hoosiers are champions now, especially this last season. And so the other part that I really want to talk about is Fernando Mendoza's news after the playoffs, after he went into interview with all these reporters and all that shiz, I guess you could say. Is that even a thing?
I have
So
no idea, but if it is, it must be.
So, what I'd like to say though is that, for one, if you guys have not heard yet, Fernando is, I think it's Fernando Mendoza he already declared for the NFL draft, so that's going to be huge. He is seriously a really good guy. I've seen some of his videos. I don't know if Kim has, if she wants to say anything about this, even about this video that we're
I've
in
seen
right now.
his videos, and it's just going to be a really good pick.
He he is. I don't know if Kim, my girlfriend, knows this or not. I might have told her before, but here we go. Have you? This is my question to her. Have you? Do you know? Have you heard that Fernando Mendoza will most likely be drafted by the Oakland Raiders? I think it is. Did you know that before?
No, but now I do.
There's a lot of people thinking that he'll go to the Oakland Raiders in
You got to keep me
2020.
updated on this stuff, babe.
I try, and then I
I
it's
get all my
life,
sports
okay?
stuff from you.
Yes, I get it. I get it. I know. I've been busy, or I mean, it's life. Life happens.
And our work
So,
life happens.
huh?
And our work life happens.
Work life happens. You say?
Yeah,
Yeah, yeah. So,
back to
excuse me.
sports.
Yes, back to sports. So, now that you guys know that a big percentage, at least she knows now, anyways, and you guys know, is that again Fernando Mendoza will most likely be picked by the Oakland Raiders this year, and I have my opinions and opinion, really, I guess, if you want to call it that, for him most likely being drafted by the Oakland Raiders, but I'll get into that in another segment because,
We could go on and on and on and on about that one.
well, about him, I mean, about the team, everything like that happened last year. It's just incredible what that team and the coaching staff, even the coach Chris Signetti did. Now, before we end this video, does anybody know, or have you guys heard of, especially Kim in the background, he has a brother on the team. Did you know that, babe?
Yes, I did.
Did you know that he will be his brother, Fernando Mendoza's brother, will not be playing for the Hoosiers next year?
Oh, come on. That
So, yeah, I
mm,
know. I know.
that is such a bad thing.
I thought so too, but apparently he wants to be out of Indiana. He
Well,
is
you know
going
what? He can go live in the desert.
Anyways, that's what I thought I'd tell you guys about, so that if you guys were to ask, which I think you guys are going to ask near the end of this video, um, excuse me for that. So he is going to be transferred into. Excuse me for that too. He's going to be transferred to another school, and I don't know what the school that will be, but I hope Indiana is still. I mean, it's not. It's not really. I don't know if that it's so much that I hope they'll be really good next year. I think they will be really good next year because Signetti just took them to a championship last year, and it's there are no words for Kurt Signetti as a coach. So, anywho, going into the finish of this podcast, would you like to say anything, babe?
I think we pretty much nailed everything that we need to talk about IU.
Yes, ma'am. So, with any further ado, thank you guys for checking out this podcast. Go to any of my videos. You can check out any of my videos on YouTube. She has videos on YouTube that you can check out.
That
So,
is about daycare and what it's like.
so shout out to Kim back here, my girlfriend. She has been trying to work on her YouTube, and she may correct me if I'm wrong, Kim, babe. If you're planning on trying to record other videos, not just about daycare.
Yes.
Okay. So,
I might
eh,
start doing some about crocheting and stuff like that.
okay. So, there you have it. It's from the horse's mouth, I think they say.
Thanks, babe.
It's supposed to be a compliment, thanks. Um, so, I'll see you guys in the next video. Go ahead and subscribe to the video. Actually, it's down here. I'm sorry. Down here. Uh, click, really smash that subscribe button, comment, give me some feedback, all that good stuff. You can even
Subscribe to
like,
me.
yes, you can even, well, subscribe to her, and yes, we're gonna do that whole Blake Shelton thing, whatever that's on the Voice. Well, he was on the Voice. Um, press that like button, and we will see you guys in the next episode. Thanks, guys. Peace. Have a good one.
Peace.